Hello friends. The topic of the video is 0 to 100 improvement and treatment of blood sugar. Blood sugar is defined as the amount of sugar or glucose in the blood. Glucose is supplied from the foods we eat, and its increase or decrease can cause problems in the body. I want to order about normal blood sugar level, normal blood sugar in pregnancy, normal blood sugar in diabetics, prevention of diabetes, control of blood sugar in diabetics, symptoms of diabetes, and finally some uses that are special for control and lowering their blood sugar, and it is very effective. Let me tell you. 1. Normal blood sugar. Normal blood sugar level is different in people and at all ages. Normal blood sugar before breakfast in children is 72 to 126, and 2 hours after eating food is 90 to 160. And in the age of 30. Before breakfast, it is 70 to 120, and after food is less than 180. In 40-year-old people it is 68 to 108 before meal, and after meal is less than 140. In 50-year-old people before breakfast it is 70 to 100, and after a meal it is less than 140, and in 60-year-old people before breakfast it is between 120 to 160. 2. Normal blood sugar during pregnancy. Gestational diabetes, as the name suggests, appears during pregnancy and usually resolves after delivery, but it is possible that the complications caused by it will be with the mother and the baby for a long time or forever. So during pregnancy, check your blood sugar level regularly and see a doctor if necessary. Normal blood sugar during pregnancy is less than 100 mg/dl before breakfast, and less than 140 mg/dl 1 hour after a meal, and 120 mg/dl 2 hours after a meal. It is deciliter. 3. Normal blood sugar in diabetic people. Experts consider the normal blood sugar range of diabetic people to be different from healthy people, and usually diabetic people have more blood sugar than healthy people. When doctors check blood sugar, factors such as people's age, diseases, style life, personal habits, duration of diabetes, injuries related to eyes, kidneys, blood vessels, blood, heart, and brain are evaluated. Normal blood sugar in diabetics is 70 to 100 before breakfast and 2 hours later. It is less than 140 from food. 4. Prevention of diabetes. Although there are factors that you cannot change, such as genes, age, or past behaviors, there are also factors that cause prevention, such as controlling the consumption of sweet foods and refined carbohydrates. Because your body quickly converts these substances into small sugar molecules and is absorbed into the blood, exercising regularly can greatly reduce the risk of diabetes. Exercise increases the insulin sensitivity of your cells, so you have less insulin to control. Your blood sugar is necessary. Drink water instead of drinks that contain high sugar and preservatives. Studies have shown that for every kilogram of weight loss, the risk of diabetes is reduced by 16%. And other factors such as smoking cessation, high-fiber diet, consumption of tea or coffee and herbal teas, which I will explain to you a little later. 5. Sugar control in people with diabetes. To control blood sugar in people with diabetes, you must first be careful with carbohydrate consumption. Avoid eating large meals, get enough sleep, lose weight, drink more water, and avoid stress. Don't skip breakfast. Increase the consumption of resistant starch, exercise. If you follow these things, you will clearly see the effect. 6. Symptoms of diabetes. The symptoms of diabetes appear in people whose diabetes is not diagnosed or controlled, and it has different forms, such as constant, severe and unexplained thirst, frequent urination and an increase in its volume, because when blood sugar increases it enters the urine, and because of this, people with diabetes increase the volume and frequency of their urine. Continuous hunger. When the body cannot absorb sugar from the blood and provide its own energy, it feels the need for food more, and for this reason, people with diabetes they constantly feel hungry. Feeling tired. When the body cannot convert sugar into energy, a person feels tired. Weight loss. When the body cannot use blood sugar as an energy source, it goes to the body's fats and muscles for energy, and destroys them. Tingling fingers. Diabetes also affects the blood vessels and causes problems in them. If the vessels are damaged, it causes tingling and pain in the fingers. Slow healing of wounds and bruises. Diabetes by it disturbs the blood supply to the wound site on the small vessels and causes the wounds to heal. Blurred vision. The retina has many small vessels that diabetes also affects and causes blurring of your vision. And before serious problems occur, you should see a doctor. And finally, some teas for controlling and lowering blood sugar that can really help you, so be sure to pay attention and use these teas. 1 Barberry tea is one of the first herbal drinks and is effective in the treatment and control of diabetes, and besides, it is very suitable for blood purification and helps to maintain the health of the heart and blood vessels. How to prepare: 2 tablespoons of barberry in 2 glasses. Pour boiling water and let it brew well, then eat. 2 Aloysius citrador tea. You may have heard the name of this tea from your mother or grandmother. By continuously consuming this tea, you can control and cure your diabetes in a short time. Method of preparation: in this method, you add a tablespoon of lemon leaves to pour in 2 glasses of boiling water and let it brew well. 3-time tea. The way ovation tea works for diabetics is that by reducing inflammation and improving the functioning of the pancreas, it helps in the regular release of the insulin hormone. How to prepare: put 2 tablespoons of ovation leaves in 2 glasses of boiling water and leave it until to breathe. 4 green tea. Green tea has a strong antioxidant that increases the absorption of glucose into muscle cells and is also useful for treating obesity. How to prepare: put a tablespoon of green tea in 2 glasses of boiling water for 5 minutes. To breathe. 5 ginger tea. Ginger helps control blood sugar by inhibiting the enzymes that are involved in the process of carbohydrate metabolism. Taking ginger tea before breakfast has a great effect on this process. The preparation method is to mix some ginger root in 2 glasses of water. Pour and let it brew for 5 minutes. Thank you for being with me until the end of the video.